Hello everyone, welcome back to Back Tech Product. In today's video, we're diving into one of the best high-performance laptop memory upgrades you can get your hands on right now, the best DDR5 5600MHz laptop RAM. If you've been looking to give your laptop a serious speed boost for gaming, content creation, or even day-to-day productivity, you'll definitely want to stick around. Let's get started. Product features. Blazing fast speed. With a frequency of 5600 MHz, this RAM module enables faster application loading, reduced lag, and smoother multitasking. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K video, or managing dozens of browser tabs, everything just runs better. Wide system compatibility. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 SODIMM works with both Intel and AMD-based laptops. It's also compatible with Intel Nuke kits and small form factor PCs. No need to worry about platform limitations. This RAM is designed to fit into most modern systems with ease. Simple and hassle-free installation. Even if you're not a tech expert, installing this RAM is super easy. Just unscrew your laptop's bottom panel, pop out the old RAM, and slide in the new module. You don't need any fancy tools, just a regular screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can do yourself. Automatic speed tuning. Unlike older RAM that requires manual tweaking in the BIOS, this Corsair Vengeance module automatically runs at the highest speed supported by your system. That means you get the performance of overclocking without the risk or complexity. Built to last. Proven Corsair reliability. Corsair is known for rigorous testing and quality control, and this RAM is no exception. It's tested under high-stress conditions to ensure stability and long-term durability. So, whether you're running heavy workloads or gaming for hours, you can count on reliable performance. Pros: ultra-fast 5600 MHz speed for improved responsiveness. Compatible with both Intel and AMD laptops. Plug-and-play installation, perfect for beginners. No BIOS configuration needed, auto-tunes to max supported speed. Backed by Corsair's trusted reliability and warranty. Excellent for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Cons: only compatible with DDR5-ready laptops, won't work in older DDR4 systems. Higher cost than standard RAM, but justified by performance gains. No built-in RGB or heat spreader. Not necessary, but worth noting for aesthetic-focused users. Final thoughts. Absolutely. If your laptop supports DDR5, this upgrade will give you a noticeable performance boost right out of the box. It's perfect for gamers who want smoother frame rates, creators who need faster render times, and everyday users who just want a faster machine. The auto-speed tuning, broad compatibility, and reliability make it a smart, future-ready investment. Yes, it's a bit more expensive than standard memory, but for what you're getting, it's totally worth it. If you're ready to upgrade your laptop's performance, be sure to check out the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Back Tech Product, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.